2018 Buick Cascada. Number 19 in luxury small cars. Is the Buick Cascada a good car? The 2018 Cascada is a comfortable convertible that accommodates two adults and the occasional pair of backseat passengers. It's quieter than most soft-top vehicles, and its smooth, composed handling makes for a relaxing ride. The current generation earns very good crash test scores and is expected to be more reliable than most new cars. Unlike a few rivals that come in both hardtop and convertible configurations, the Cascada is only available as the latter. How much does the Buick Cascada cost? The new Buick Cascada is one of the least expensive luxury convertibles you can buy. Starting prices begin at $33,065 and reach as high as $37,065. Buick Cascada versus the competition. Which is better, Buick Cascada or Audi A3? Retail prices for the convertible Audi A3 start north of $38,000. Which is about $5,000 higher than the Cascada's starting price. If your budget allows, we recommend rolling with the A3, in part because of its innovative technology. The 7-inch touchscreen paired with an intuitive interface is standard in the A3, and upgrades like Apple CarPlay, Audi's virtual cockpit, and a 14-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system are available.